Hi, everybody. Welcome to HIMS 1410 Introduction to Insurance. I wanted to do this quick video for you so that way you get an idea on how to use the course, what's expected, and things of that sort. So we're going to navigate through the course through Canvas. So what I'm going to do is share my screen with you so you get an idea. And once it pops up, you should be able to see the home page. Now, the home page is just an introduction of what's expected, of what you're going to learn, and that'll be in the first paragraph here about insurance. We will learn basically commercial insurance, Blue Cross and Blue Shield. We'll learn Medicare, Medicaid, and TRICARE and workers' compensation. So those are the key components of the most used and largest payers in the insurance field for healthcare. There's a quick video here on this page that you can click on if you have any questions on how to navigate and use Canvas. A little bit about myself as well. My name is Dawn Goodsell, and I will be your instructor for this course. When you go into the module key, well, I should say that home key is the first one you go into, which is on the left-hand side. It's going to pop up as soon as you bring your course up. That's what that one was that I showed you. Next one is the syllabus key on the left-hand side. If you click on it, I'm going to actually go into student view here, so that helps you out. Okay, so the next one is the syllabus, and we'll click on that and bring that up. And you have to click on the link. Okay, if you want to download, you can click on the arrow on the right, but if you just want to bring it up on the screen, you can with just a click. Going down, you'll see that our start date was Sunday, June 6th, and we end on August 16th. Okay, there is no breaks in our schedule whatsoever. Homework is due during the 4th of July. It will be due on the 5th. So make sure you account for that. Okay, and plan accordingly. My information here, my name is here. My office is at Sarpy County, but we are actually Sarpy campus, but we are actually still 50% live in campus. So we will still be doing remote meetings or Zoom meetings. We will meet in person only if we have to. Okay, if you have questions. My phone number is there. That is my cell phone number, not my office number. I'm putting that on there since I am not in my office. It might come to me a little quicker. If you do use my office phone number, what will happen is it will go to my email, which then I will get. Okay, so either way. All right. And then going down here, the important thing is, what books am I supposed to have? And that is down here under required supplemental material. You're going to see Understanding Health Insurance Textbook. That is the 2020 edition, and it's by Green. And that one, there's only one book for this. Make sure you read it carefully, read it fully, watch your PowerPoint, because those are all the learning materials that you have, and make sure that you look over those really well in order to do well in this class. Okay. I'm trying to see if there's anything else here that's really important. Not really, other than the fact that I want to make note that students must participate and do something before the census date, or you will be kicked out of the class, which that is an MCC rule, and it's because of financial aid. So what you need to do is do your discussion question, read your material, do your discussion question, and get that in and get it done. So you have one submitted assignment prior to the census date. And the census date is up here at the top of your syllabus. I do believe the census date is the 18th, okay, or something of that sort, of June. So make sure that you get your stuff submitted before then. I think that is the census date, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. So yeah, make sure you get that done. If you don't, then that's going to be subjective to kicking you out of the system. Okay. A lot of policies and information are here, and then the schedule at the end. There is, if you go into when we get into the actual module itself and all of the homework and everything, there is a lot of privacy Canvas issues there, and other protocol that we use as well. and we'll go through that too. All right, announcements. This is once I get done grading the modules, I will post a response in here every week saying that I am done grading. Okay. If you have an issue with something, please email me. I'll show you how to do that. But the module will not be graded until the module closes. And that's because there's no way of determining by myself who's I graded and who I haven't unless I do them all at once. So grading will be done when the module closes. And then I will post a response here saying that I am finished grading the module so that you know it's been graded and that's the final scores. Okay, going into modules, that's where all your homework and all your learning activities are. Up here at the beginning, we have the Start Here tab with all of our policies and procedures. It behooves you that you look at the introduction and then look through some of these information. Obviously, you found this information because you watched this video already, which is awesome. Okay, watching this video will give you 10 points. You will get 10 points extra credit. And as long as you email me through Canvas, and I'll show you how to do that, you will get your 10 points. Okay, telling me that the secret password is Dumbo. Okay, so if you email me with the secret password is Dumbo and that you watched the video, then you can receive your 10 points extra credit. All right. Next is miscellaneous information, just basically the mission statement and college policies for students and the Canvas privacy statement. We have how we're going to grade here. We got instructional grades. We've got just the discussion activities and the activities and assessments. And then we get into your modules. Now, the way to navigate in here, I know a lot of people tend to go to the bottom of the syllabus page and use that. Don't do that because you're not getting to the learning material. Go through this one by one. First learning objective, read the material, read your chapters, read chapter 1, go through the PowerPoint, okay? If you want to, then I will actually move this around a little bit so it's a little bit clearer so that way we go from chapter 1 PowerPoint to the actual review, okay, and then so forth, so that way it's all kind of going in the right order, okay. But that's how you do it. You actually click on the first one, which is the learning objectives. Once you click on it and you review it, then hit the next button and you go to the next screen. That will take you to the PowerPoint. Review the PowerPoints, go to the next screen, and then we'll take you to the homework, but this is taking you to chapter 2 and so forth until you get to the end. Now, once you get to the end, you're going to see there's the discussion. You can post your discussion. Once you get done, it's going to pop the screen back up again so you can go to the next item. Okay. Once we get done with all of this, let me get through here. I think this is the last one. Once you get to the very last one, you're going to see a summary page for that module. Read it over, and once you're done, it's going to pop you right to module 2. That means that you know you are done. So you've completed all of your module. Okay. And then once you get done, you can go over to the grades over here on the left-hand side, and you can check and see if you've got any grade scores in there. Again, remember, no grades are final until the instructor grades it, or myself. Until I get it graded, no grades are final. Okay. If you want to look up somebody, go ahead and hit the people button. You can put their name in here and you can try and find them. That's how you can find myself as well. And then this discussion tab, if you're doing your discussion questions, please do not use this tab. Use the one that's in the module. That way, you know, you get everything done and you don't miss something. Okay. All right. If you need to email me, you need to do it over here in the inbox, which you click on it. And I'm going to actually come out of student screen so I can see this. Okay. Once you get done, then you go over here and up at the top, you see the pencil. You hit the pencil and then you go over here to the person that says the 2. And then what it'll do is everything will pop up as on your courses. So our course is the 1410 summer, which is cleared out at the bottom. Okay. And then you can hit teacher and you can get me if you hit teacher. And then you hit my name. It's going to be up here. Put a subject matter in here. Go ahead and type your actual question or whatever, and then hit submit. And that will connect you with the course. So I know which course you're in. I have 6 courses this quarter, so I need to know what course you're talking about. So this will correlate the course with your name, and then it'll go to my Outlook and also to my phone. And that way I know which class you're talking about. Okay. So that's how we navigate around Canvas, and that's how what's expected of this course. Okay. If you have any questions, email me again through Canvas if you have anything. And like I said, I will be available for Zoom meetings and only in person if needed. Okay. Have a wonderful summer and watch those announcement pages for when I get done grading, and I will see you soon. Bye.